Okay, I'm just jumping on, y'all. Because I was just out in the snow and I just wanted to hurry up and refresh my hair. So I figured, hell, might as well jump on live real quick and tell people about this damn sale because it's like insane. So, as you know, I think it was 2 nights ago was my hair washing day. So I'm not washing my hair tonight just because I went out and got my hair a little wet. So I'm just doing a refresh. But everything that I'm doing a refresh with is on sale. So I came back inside the house and I lightly mist my hair with some water, which I can do it some more just because. But before I misted it, is that a word? I don't know. I put 2 drops of this in my hand, rubbed it up. This is the Rejuvenate. Rubbed my hands together, and then I did like a drop of the Rejuvebeads, the split end stuff, and then I sprayed the Holy Grail freaking dry shampoo that I've only been using for like 2 days now. Like, it's amazing. This on my roots, and then I juiced it up, which is what it looks like right now. So I don't know, is there a way to mute the camera? So what I'm gonna do now is dry my hair really quick because it's damp. So I'm just gonna touch it up. Touch it up. You like my sweatshirt? How fitting. Look. Anyways, all that stuff that I just showed you, I know the entire hair system. Let me get my stuff here. I've been washing my hair like twice a week, and you don't need a lot. So this is the conditioner I've been using, thickening conditioner with Rejuvenate. It reduces hair loss and hair fallout. And this is the shampoo. Same thing. It has Rejuvenate. And you use this. Okay, so before like hair washing day, which has been like 3 to 4 days in between each one, which is wild for me because my hair would be super oily by then. But now it's not. Like, I can go 3 or 4 days and my hair doesn't even get oily. I do like a hair scalp treatment with this Rejuvenate. Leave it on my hair. I try to shoot for like 2 hours. Just leave it on my scalp before I do the hair washing. And then I wash my hair. You double wash your hair with our shampoo. Like, there's a special way to like wash your hair with it. You wash it the first time, rinse it out real good. Then you wash it the second time, rinse it out real good. And it's like you leave the shampoo on your hair each time for like, I leave it for like 4 minutes just so it looks so good. And then the conditioner, same thing, but I leave that on there for 5 minutes. So I like shave my legs or whatever I need to do while I'm waiting for the conditioner to condition. So yeah, and then every night you do the serum. This has been the game changer, y'all. Well, actually, this whole system has changed my life in the last month. And I'm not gonna gatekeep. Like, I know I came back on social media, which I was already planning on coming back on social media in 2025 because a 2-year break is a long time. But like, it just so happened that I came back and I was just like 3 weeks into using this stuff. And I was like, I am not gonna gatekeep this from my friends because it's amazing. Maki just walked in. Anyways, this stuff I feel like has made, it's all made a tremendous difference, but this right here, hey Jonathan, this right here I feel like is making, like, my hair is so much denser at the top of my head. Okay, so all that is 50% off. If I'm not mistaken, this is also 50% off, and this is also 50% off. I just placed an order for myself, like I showed you guys earlier this week, for the IR Clinical mascara. So the mascara that has the same exact ingredients in it, I bought. It's 50% off. I paid $30+ for it. I think I paid $38 for it. It's $15 now. 15. Okay, anyways, let me shut up. Here's an example of a cart right now where I put, Lord Jesus, you can't see it. Oh well, it takes up the screen. You just gotta trust me. But that cart has the serum, the shampoo, the conditioner, and the mascara. All of it for $96. Where when I started, I paid $200 and something. Anyways, okay. I'm gonna see if this mutes. Does this mute? Okay, so it's literally like it's like it was never wet outside. Y'all, I'm crazy. Like, this is just me. I always do like different accents and everything. You'll get used to it eventually. Anyways, let me mute the camera again because it's gonna hurt your ears. Who went out in the snow? Not me, period. Jonathan, are you still here? I don't know. Anyways, okay. To resume. Also got my market partner product pack thing in the mail this week. So sometime over the next couple of days, I plan on going live again and just going through and showing you guys what comes in like the $200 option pack, which I'm very surprised. Like, the amount of samples that you get to give to your friends and family is wild. So if you guys want some samples, comment down below, or message me what type of hair you have. Like, I'll post the little, anyways, message me and I will send you the hair quiz, and then I will try to figure out what type of products works best for you, and then I can like mail you or drop you off some samples, because I got so many samples in this product pack. Plus I got Carlos, like, his entire system, which I'm gonna do his hair this weekend. I'm gonna like do a whole Monet cleansing on him. I just can't wait to see the difference. I'm gonna take pictures. I'm gonna take pictures. Okay, mute. Bye. No, not bye. Just mute. Okay, so like, yes, I will be taking. This is crazy. I'll be taking pictures of his hair like before and after, because he has hair that's probably almost to his butt crack. And it's very curly, not like kinky curly, but like that pretty spirally curly. But he hasn't like taken the best care of it, so I got him, if I'm not mistaken, either the intense damage repair or the advanced hydration. I can't remember, but his stuff is gonna look crazy good. Last thing. Okay, so it's pretty much dry now. The volume is what? Look at the volume. What I like to do before I like put on some more of this Rejuvenique on my, like, to smooth it down a little bit, is I like to like cold shock it. So hair dryer. This is my blowout tool. I love this thing. It's like a Revlon blowout brush, but I like to cold shock it, and then it kind of, for some reason, I'll cold shock it once, and then I'll apply the Rejuva beads, and then I'll cold shock it again, and it like just, like, I feel like it like seals the cuticle. I don't know, but hold on. Remember, I don't have no makeup on. Rejuva beads, literally, like, this is my nail. It's like pinky, not even pea size. Well, maybe pea size. And then I rub it on my hair. Rub it on my hair. Oh my god. And everything smells so good. Oh. Okay. Okay. I like to do the praying hands. And then one more cold shot. All right. And there you have it. I don't know if you guys remember. Do you see the density? Let me just show you guys what my hair looked like when I started. Oh no. That's how it looked. Let me find it better. Let me find another one. Let's see. Okay, this is a good one. Well, no, hold on. You kind of can see it here too. Like, I literally had no density at all. Trying to find the Disney World picture that just sent me in April. Nothing. Oh, but here's an option. If, let's look. You see the bottom left? That's what would happen when I would try to do the curly girl method on my hair at the time versus with the products. The density is insane. But anyways, like let me get close so you guys can see. Like, let me try to do the same thing. We're gonna make sure it's like aesthetic. Like what? It's just wild. Anyways, I know it's just crazy, but I just feel like the sales just every day it's a good one. So, but this one's really good. I just love my hair, y'all. Like, I went a whole year hating it, okay? Now I'm just like, look at the volume. Anyways, I hope you guys have a great, if you're in Georgia, I hope you guys have a great snow day. I couldn't go to work because it's like an icy, slushy mess. Anyways. Bye, y'all. I always forget how to end the live.